Okay, hey y'all, it's Geisha. So I'm about to show you guys how I make my protein smoothie. It has a little bit more calories than a normal protein smoothie. So if you eat those like gainer powders and stuff like that, this is a better way around that because it has more foods in it. So yeah, we about to get started. I'm gonna show you everything I use. So the first thing I do is of course bring the fruit out and then rinse it off first. And these are raspberries. We've got some blackberries. I use these because they're like really high in calories. So it's an easy way to, you know, fill your calories up without feeling all super full. And then I'll just rinse them off first. All right. Load them all up. So I don't know, I don't measure it. I just take about a handful of each, maybe more, a little bit more. And this is the main attraction. This is the star of the show. So if you look on the back, this is why I say it has all the calories in it. It has 180 calories, and that's for 2 tablespoons. So I put 4. So if you double that, I'll put it on the screen. Not about to count and use my brain right now. But yeah. And this is a really good brand too. Like if you're looking for something organic, I like this brand, Living Tree. It's at Whole Foods. Okay. Then we have another silent killer. This one's 60 calories per tablespoon. So if you think about that, that's nothing. Like honey's not gonna fill you up, you know, but it will boost your calories up easily. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of that in there. So yeah, it's like 120. So it's adding up fast. And honey is good for your immune system. Naturally, has a lot of benefits to it. Look it up. Okay. This is at Sephora. So it's Power Dust. It just has a whole bunch of things in it that like help with stress adaptogens. So if you look on the back, I think it has just a whole bunch of good herbs for you, which is good for after you work out because your body is kind of stressed out after that. So it just helps to kind of alleviate that. Yeah, it helps with recovery a lot. Because you don't know it. You might not feel stressed, but girl, you might be stressed, okay? And then, oh, this is the best coconut water. You see how pink that is? Super pink. That's why I love it. It's so good. And I don't even like coconut water like that. But this one is 60 calories and it has 2 servings in here. So I usually use like, I go right up to the brim. Then we have our protein, ta-da! This is vegan protein, so it's plant-based. And I just like that better than the other proteins like the isolates and the whey, because it doesn't bloat you. You know, if you might relate, if you use those kind of proteins, you'll get a lot of bloating around your stomach area. So that's a better alternative to me. So yeah, I just do this to like push it down because it gets really get everything, don't miss anything. Yeah, I will sit here and do this 50 times until it goes. I'm not missing none of it.
Hey, yo!
I'm just playing. Okay. All right. All that. Top on. I just use the NutriBullet. I'm not really into juicing. I do want to get into it more, but it's a little complicated to me. Comment down below if you juice, if you think making smoothies is harder than juicing, or if you think juicing is harder than making smoothies. Comment down below, because I think juicing is harder. Psych. Okay. I guess this plug's not working or something. I be pretending like I work at Jamba Juice. Alright, yeah, I just do it about 3 times. And then I'll show you the result. Purple. And it's pretty like, the consistency is kind of watery, so I would say if you like your smoothies thicker and cold, just put some ice in it, or maybe freeze your fruit, but excuse me, I don't do that. So that is my smoothie recipe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have more videos up, like workout vlogs and stuff like that. So I got a lot of tips, tricks, and secrets for y'all. Okay, bye.